Hello, friends. My name is Sarah. I am 18 years old, and I live in a small town with my lovely family. Today, I want to share something special about my family with you. I hope this story will not only teach you about family, but also help you improve your English. I live with my parents, my younger brother, and my grandmother. We are a small family, but we are very close and care for each other deeply. Let me tell you more about each member of my family. My father's name is John. He is 45 years old and works as an engineer. He is very hardworking and dedicated to his job. He always makes sure our family has everything we need. In his free time, he enjoys reading books and gardening. My father often tells us stories about his childhood and teaches us important life lessons. He is very kind and always supports me in my studies and goals. My mother's name is Emily. She is 42 years old and is a school teacher. She teaches English, and she is very good at it. My mother is not only my teacher, but also my best friend. She always listens to my problems and helps me find solutions. She is also an excellent cook. My mother makes delicious meals for us every day. Her favorite hobby is baking, and every weekend she makes cookies or cakes for the family. I have one younger brother. His name is Jack, and he is 10 years old. Jack is very energetic and loves to play football. He is also very creative and likes to draw and paint. Sometimes he can be a little naughty, but he always makes us laugh with his funny jokes and stories. I enjoy helping him with his homework and playing games with him. My grandmother lives with us too. Her name is Rose, and she is 70 years old. She is very kind and loving. She often tells us stories from her younger days, which are very interesting. My grandmother also helps my mother in the kitchen and looks after my brother when my parents are busy. She loves knitting and makes beautiful sweaters and scarves for us. In my family, everyone has a role. My father and mother go to work during the day. I go to school and my brother goes to primary school. My grandmother stays at home and takes care of everything. In the evening, we all sit together and have dinner. After dinner, we share stories about our day. On weekends, we spend time together by going for walks, watching movies, or visiting relatives. My family loves celebrating festivals and special occasions. During holidays like Christmas, we decorate our house, make special dishes, and invite friends and relatives. Birthdays are also a big celebration in our house. We have cakes, gifts, and a lot of fun. These moments make us feel closer to each other and create beautiful memories. My family is my biggest strength. They love me, support me, and help me become a better person. I feel lucky to have such a caring family. They always encourage me to work hard and achieve my dreams. Whenever I face difficulties, my family is there to guide me and give me courage. In conclusion, my family is my treasure. They are the most important part of my life. I hope you enjoyed learning about my family. Now, I encourage you to think about your family and what makes them special. Remember, family is where love begins, and life never ends. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helps you improve your English.